started with the instruction of His Excellency the President in 2010, via a letter of 18th March to the then Right Honorable Prime Minister Apollo Sivambi. In that directive, the President asked the Prime Minister, as leader of government business, to initiate the construction of the Akibwa Stadium. And as you now well know, the stadium facility falls under the portfolio of the Ministry of Sports. It came down to our ministry to work on it. We visited here in 2010, April 2010. That was the first time we came to meet to look at the site for the proposed stadium in Lira. The district local government did the district local government. Let's switch it off. Excuse me. Now, the very first visit, the similar one to the one of today, was held on the 4th of April 2010. We went with members of the district team and officials from the ministry, and we were then led by the Honorable Daniel Omara Tuku when we went and saw the site for the land which had been given. Now, there's a chronology of activities that happened thereafter, and I will request the Assistant Commissioner to give us later on, in brief, the chronology of what happened until where we have reached today. But it took a few years because such a project also takes some time. But from this year, like the district chairman has mentioned, the Akibwa Stadium project was approved in the public investment grant at the Ministry of Finance. So it is now